Are you looking for an alternative to digital whiteboards like Miro, Mural, or Nova? While whiteboards are a great collaboration tool, sometimes it's challenging to make participants feel confident using them. Some may struggle to move around or add sticky notes, even with guidance. Other times, the format isn't ideal for capturing ideas or feedback, especially if you are leading meetings asynchronously or if you are doing this during an event and people have to participate directly from their phones. Here's an alternative: sessions. Sessions offer the same collaborative benefits as whiteboards, but with a simpler process that makes it easy for everyone to use, even if participants are joining from their phones. Participants can comfortably add sticky notes, vote, and follow the process. Adding a sticky note is this easy. And moving around to collaborate is as easy as navigating a website. If you are the person leading the meeting or workshop, you can customize it. For example, asking people to share their feelings on the topic, vote for one of these options, add sticky notes, or react to existing ones, even organizing them by color to create groups. It's that straightforward. Additionally, you can set a due date and automatically see the session on your calendar, or even add the session directly to your Google Calendar. This is useful if you don't want people to join before or after the session. You can also add final decisions and conclusions here, helping you share next steps with participants to avoid sending extra emails or forgetting where your notes went. Give it a try